Curious how Chris and Amy increased their investment property value by $420,000 in 7 weeks. Just like many first-time property investors, they were on the brink of securing their first dream investment home in Auckland. But doubts about its potential started to creep in. The thought of minimal renovations seemed simple at first. Soon, however, they were overwhelmed by the task of juggling quotes from painters, plumbers, and builders. Sounds familiar? You're not alone. This is a common headache for many new investors, where the initial thrill quickly spirals into stress and unexpected costs. That's where James Goran from the Renovation Team stepped in, offering a complete turnkey solution to take all that stress off Chris and Amy's shoulders while giving them expert advice to maximize their equity. With a fixed price of $120,000, the Renovation Team managed everything. No more balancing multiple contractors and no surprises. The transformation? Spectacular. James Goran found a way to convert a simple 3-bedroom property into a stunning 4-bedroom home, which increased the property's value from $980,000 to a whopping $1.4 million. It was a fantastic experience.
I have a interiors fit-out company, so my knowledge of building isn't too bad. Yeah, I thought James, he ran a very good ship there. He's well under control with his contractors. I know I struggle to keep control of mine most of the time, so I was well impressed that.
He was very thorough and also really personal. We sort of related straight away, and we had a bit of a joke as well. This was going to be my project, and I sort of said, well, if I do hire you, what will I be doing? And he said, go to the gym, have a coffee, I'll send you pictures of the progress and you can forward them on to your husband. And I thought, you got a deal. Yeah, so it was a great experience. We're looking forward to future works with James. To see what we can achieve in such a short turnaround time is quite inspiring. So yeah, very excited for the next project.
James Goran came highly recommended, and now we know why. The Renovation Team is here to increase your rental cash flow and boost your property valuation. Contact James Goran from the Renovation Team today, and let's make your investment property dreams a reality.